Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can extract text from screenshot on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all, I'm going to take a screenshot using Snipping Tool application. You can go to the search bar and then you're going to search for Snipping Tool. Okay, this one guys. This application will be installed automatically on your Windows 11, so you don't need to download it. But if you haven't got this application, I recommend you to go to the Microsoft Store and install this application. Okay, and I'm going to take screenshot of this document. I'm going to select the snipping tool and click on this camera icon, and then I'm going to select the screenshot area. Okay, like this. Alright, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can extract text from this screenshot. We can click on this icon, and then we're going to right click and click on select all, and then we're going to right click again and then click on copy text. And for me, I'm just going to paste it on new document. Okay, I'm going to paste it. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to extract text from screenshot on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!